Question 1. Part A. Dan is doing a survey to find out how much time students spend playing sport. He is going to ask the first 10 boys on the register for his PE class. This may not produce a good sample for Dan's survey. Give 2 reasons why. The best way to do a question like this is just to look at the mark scheme. So, if you only put 1 reason, you only get 1 mark. If you put 2 acceptable reasons, then you get 2 marks, okay? And that could be anything to do with bias relating to the age, bias relating to gender, bias relating to PE students, size of the sample being too small, or sampling method is not random, okay? So any of those things, but you need 2 of those, 2 reasons, and you'll get the 2 marks. So, for 2 reasons. So part B says, design a suitable question for Dan to use on a questionnaire to find out how much time students spend playing sport. So the question could be, how often do you play sports in a week? Now that's the most important bit, having a time period. You need a minimum of 3 response boxes. Okay, 0, 1, 2. I'm going to put 4. I'm going to put more than 2. This is worth 2 marks. The first one comes from a question with a time period in it, and the second mark comes from a minimum of 3 response boxes that don't overlap. Okay, now this looks like it overlaps, but it doesn't. This means 2 times, and this is more than 2 times. Okay, make sure you don't make the mistake of putting 3 plus. Okay, that means you've got 0, 1, and 2. You haven't got 3, but you have got more than 3. Okay, so that's for the second mark there, and that's it.